Ever spent hours debugging why a button looks different across projects? Or manually fixing contrast ratios to meet WCAG standards? UI developers, React teams, Vue specialists, accessibility leads, and DevOps engineers face this daily. Our component library pack solves this with storybook driven workflows, Figma linked design tokens in JSON and CSS formats, automated Axe Core accessibility audits, and CI CD pipelines that publish components to NPM with semantic versioning. Imagine no more tribal knowledge about spacing scales or fighting with Puppeteer scripts to check ARIA attributes. With this pack, you'll have more time to debate naming conventions, because someone's got to keep the memes alive. Here's what's inside the component library pack: storybook configuration with CSF files, and zero config Vite integration. Design token management syncing Figma variables to SCSS and Tailwind configs. Accessibility automation using Playwright plugins for runtime A11Y checks. Component versioning workflows with Lerna and changelog generation. CI/CD templates for GitHub Actions and GitLab pipelines that auto-publish to private registries. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just a template, it's your new UI development operating system. Installing the component library pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add component-library pack. That's it. You get the full workflow: storybook configs, accessibility test runners, token sync scripts, and CI pipeline definitions. Your next Claude Code session picks up the component patterns automatically. Your AI assistant now understands tokens like spacing scale 05 and can generate compliant ARIA markup. We promise it won't teach your NPM scripts to sing, though we're still figuring out how to stop that from happening accidentally.